This Land Rover looks more or less like a toy car, and the best part is that you can make it by yourself within minutes. In this tutorial, you will learn how to make a manual robot. These are the components you will require. Let's start with the mechanical part. Take a motor mount and align it with any corner of the main chassis. When the 4 holes get aligned, fix the motor mount there using some nut bolts. In the same way, attach the second motor mount in the adjacent corner. Attach the motors to the motor mounts. The motor has 2 holes which match perfectly with the holes of the motor mount. Align these holes and use some nut bolts to fix the motor in place. Take the caster wheel and attach it to the caster mount. Fix a long bolt in each corner of the caster wheel assembly. Once they have been attached tightly, drive a nut in each bolt about 2 cm below from the free end. These nuts will act as support when you will attach this assembly to the main body of the robot. When you have finished this, align this caster assembly to the main chassis and fix it in place. Finally, attach the wheels to the motor. This completes the mechanical part of our robot. For making the remote control, open the back cover of the switch box and insert the switches in the provided slots. Make 4 diagonal connectors using some connecting wires and DPDT plugs. Using these diagonal connectors, connect the diagonal pins of both switches. Now twist the red wires coming out from diagonal connectors together and attach them to the positive of the battery. Similarly, attach the black wires to the negative. Put some insulation tape to prevent any short circuit. Connect a long piece of wire to the motor and attach DPDT plugs to their free ends. Now put the remote as well as your robot in upright position. The left motor should be connected to the left switch and the right motor to the right switch. Once you have remembered which motor goes to which switch, turn the remote upside down and attach the motor plugs to the middle pins of the corresponding DPDT switch. Now lift the wheels and try to press any switch. On pressing forward, the robot should try to go forward. If it is rotating in opposite direction, interchange the motor plugs on the DPDT pins. Repeat the same with the other switch. Once you are satisfied with the connection, put the back cover on and fix it there using some screws.